In this video, we'll talk about phrasal verbs for beginners. Let's go right into it. Go out. We go out on Saturdays. Come in. Please come in. Go in. We went in without knocking. Go back. Let's go back home. Come back. I will come back later. Sit down. Please sit down. Stand up. Everyone stood up. Turn on. Turn on the light. Turn off. Turn off the TV. Put on. Put on your jacket. Take off. Take off your shoes. Pick up. Pick up your bag. Put down. Put down your phone. Bring in. Bring in the groceries. Take out. Take out the trash. Look at. Look at the picture. Look for. I'm looking for my keys. Look up. Look up the word online. Find out. I found out the answer. Wait for. I'm waiting for the bus. Hurry up. Hurry up, we are late. Slow down. Slow down on this road. Come over. Come over this evening. Go away. Please go away. Get in. Get in the car. Wake up. I wake up at 7 a.m. every day. Get out. Get out of the car. Eat out. We eat out every Friday. Clean up. Clean up your room. Wash up. Wash up before dinner. Throw away. Throw away the old papers. Get up. She gets up early every morning. Put away. Put away your toys. Give back. Give back my pen. Bring back. Bring back my book tomorrow. Call back. I will call you back later. Hang up. She hung up quickly. Walk out. I work out every morning. Try on. Try on these shoes. Help out. Thanks for helping out. And that's it for this video. Please share and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Thank you.